Hi, this is Joe from the Math Perimeter, where I help to make mathematics accessible, engaging, and approachable through videos, articles, and infographics. This video is part 4 of a 6-part series where I show you how to integrate products of sine and cosine. For more information about this topic, please refer to the article linked in the description. In this video, we will evaluate the integral of sine squared of x cosine squared of x dx. To begin, we apply the power reducing identities to get the integral of 1/2 times 1 minus cosine of 2x times 1/2 times 1 plus cosine of 2x dx. Multiplying then gives the integral of 1/4 times 1 plus cosine of 2x minus cosine of 2x minus cosine squared of 2x dx. Combining like terms, we get the integral of 1/4 times 1 minus cosine squared of 2x dx. Applying the power reducing identity again then gives the integral of 1/4 times 1 minus 1/2 times 1 plus cosine of 4x dx. Next, we distribute the minus 1/2, which gives the integral of 1/4 times 1 minus 1/2 minus 1/2 cosine of 4x dx. Combining like terms then gives the integral of 1/4 times 1/2 minus 1/2 cosine of 4x dx. Distributing 1/4, we obtain the integral of 1/8 minus 1/8 cosine of 4x dx. Integrating, we obtain a final answer of 1/8 x minus 1/32 sine of 4x plus c. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. See you next time.